Now that we know that we have different representation of complex number, a rectangular form and a polar form, we should find a way to convert a rectangular form to polar form and vice versa. So let's have a discussion converting a complex number from a rectangular form to polar form. Example 1. Express the complex number 4i in polar coordinate. For the solution, we know that 4i is equivalent to a complex number equal to 0 plus 4i. Therefore, the modulo is given by the square root of a squared plus b squared will be equal to square root of 16 or equivalent to 4. For the angle, we know that it will be on the imaginary axis and it will have a pi over 2 angle, equivalent to a 90 degrees. So now we can express our equation into a polar form, complex number equal to 4 e to the I pi over 2. Let's have example number 2. Write say equals to square root of 3 plus I in polar form. So again, we will have to compute for the modulo equal to square root of a squared plus b squared. We know that a is square root of 3 and squared of the square root of 3 is just 3, and we have b equals to 1, so that is 1 squared equal to 1. We will have our modulo square root of 4 equal to 2. For the angle, we will have arctangent b over a, that is 1 over square root of 3, and that will be theta equivalent to pi over 6 equal to 30 degrees. Our polar form will be say equal to 2e raised to I pi over 6. Now let's have a problem converting polar to rectangular form. Example, find the rectangular form of the complex number given modulo equal to 13 and tangent theta equivalent to 5 over 12. For the solution, tangent theta is equal to b over a, therefore our b is equals to 5 and our a is equal to 12. Just to check if we have the right value for b and a, we will compute the modulo and compare it to the given modulo. So with our value 5 and 12, we will end up having a modulo of 13, which is equivalent to the given. Then we will use the cosine theta relationship equal to a over r and sine theta equal to b over r. And using the complex number in the form r cosine theta plus I sine theta, we will have z equal to 13 times cosine theta equivalent to a, which is 12, and r is 13, plus I sine theta, which is equivalent to b over r. 5 is our b and our modulo equivalent to 13. We will end up our z is equal to 12 plus 5i. So I will leave a one exercise. Convert the complex number to rectangular form with given z equals to 4 cosine 11 pi over 6 plus I sine 11 pi over 6. That would be all for converting polar to rectangular and vice versa.